what we're going to do now is show you how to set up a Lace wallet. So the first step is to go to lace.io. And once you're there, you're going to see this beautiful website. So welcome to Lace 1.0, your new digital home. So this is a new wallet that just came out that you can now use with your Cardano assets. So we're going to be able to see our beautiful NFTs, and I'm going to show you how to set up this wallet. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go to Add to Browser. We'll just do a quick refresh on the home page, and you're going to click on Add to Browser, okay? And then you're going to go to Add to Chrome, all right, and Add Extension. So now when we go to our wallets, you're going to see Lace here, and what I'm going to do is pin it. So now it's up top. And this is obviously if you're using Chrome, so definitely have your Chrome set up. I've got all my different wallets, which the majority are all Cardano. So what we're going to do is click on the Lace wallet. Okay, so what you can do is you can connect a hardware wallet. That's going to be one option, okay? But right now, it doesn't support it. So you're not going to be able to connect any wallets at this point in time, but it will be available. So the other option is you can restore a wallet. Okay, so if you have a wallet that you've had in the past and perhaps you just found your recovery seed phrase, this is how you would do it. But what we're going to do is create a new wallet and show you how this is done. And by the way, this is going to be a wallet that I'm not going to use. A friendly reminder, do not share these words with anybody. I'm not going to be using this wallet. This is just a wallet I'm creating as a tutorial. Okay, so you're going to hit create. And you're going to scroll down, down, and hit accept. All right. And then we're going to put a wallet name, and we're going to put test Lace wallet. All right. And now we're going to put in a password. All right. And keeping your wallet secure, obviously you're going to get all your words. So what you're going to do next is you're going to write down these 24 words. And we are going to write it because we're going to have to know these words when we go to the finish. So for example, 1, you're just going to put 1 dash easy, and don't print this out. So 2 will be junior. Make sure that you wrote down all your words properly. And again, I'm just showing you on screen the words. This is not a wallet that I'm going to be using. Again, make sure to write down your words correctly. And for example, put 1 dash easy, 2 dash junior, 3 dash live, and don't share these words with anybody. What you're going to do next is enter all your words because it wants to know that you wrote down your words and you have it recovered properly. So 1 is easy, 2 is junior. All right, so once you put in all 24 words, you're going to hit on next. So there we go. Hooray, all done. So the next step is to go to my wallet. Okay, so we got it. And here we go. We have this beautiful dashboard showing us all of our assets, which we don't have any of yet. If you want to add funds to the wallet, all you're going to do is click on receive, and you will send Cardano to this public address. You have this beautiful display for your NFTs, so it's going to be cool to see what that will look like. And then staking is very simple as well. This is one aspect I do like. So you could very easily, for example, check out the DApp stake pool or a different stake pool that you like. The other stake pool I do like is Crow, and this is earning a very generous yield as well. So you can very easily stake and delegate. Make sure to back up your recovery seed phrase. If you send this to somebody else, they're going to get access to your wallet. So again, go to the top right and you can click up here and you can see your wallet as an extension tool as well. So it's looking really good so far. And the other benefit to the Lace wallet is that you'll be able to send multiple assets within one transaction. That's all we have for you in this one. We will see you in the next video.